Yung attraction dito sa Disney na hindi pa namin napuntahan. Tiana, Bayou Country. Parang nakakatakot yung ride, so parang gusto ko itong sakyan. Tingnan mo, apaka-stick ng boat. Tapos, babagsak siya ng gano'n, low downfall. Gusto ko yan try. Waiting for our haunted mansion. Ay, what's the next ride? Big Thunder Mountain turn for Lightning Lane. Where we decided to fall in line on a regular lane. Here for Winnie the Pooh ride. It's like a kiddie ride. But we're not doing anything, so we might as well just ride it. We rode this before, and it's pretty much for little kids. So guys, we're gonna ride now. We're next na to ride the Winnie the Pooh. Hintay na lang kami ng aming honeybee. Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dyan?
I'm gonna buzz on in, watch your step.
Watch your step daw. Yan sila Matt sa unahan. Dito kami ni Chuchay. Tada! Chuchay. So yan, minimake sure nila na yung lap bar namin ay nakasara. Siyempre, no, million ang babayaran nila kapag nangyari sa amin dito kasi this is Disneyland. Ayun na, up we go. For kitty-kitty. Bata siguro dito papakainin namin sila kasi ito na itong mga bata. Nag-breakfast buffet kami kanina. Pero we planning to stay here until like 9:30 for the fireworks display. Because 2 nights na kami rito, hindi pa namin napapanood yung fireworks. May parade, huling parade niya, hindi pa namin napapanood yung
A little bear named Winnie set off in search of honey.
ikwento niyo lang po ano yung huling dito. Piglet.
Happy Wednesday!
Piglet ang ganda. Beaver. Ulan-ulan na. Maganda to sa bata. Na-appreciate nila ko. Ayan. Si Tuna sa Hans.
And now this.
Na-appreciate nila ang mga bata. Pero pag makiyota ka na parang
Honey, beware, beware. Have fun on my have fun on the dear honey, beware. If honey is what you covet, you'll find that they love it because there's a large price.
parting song. Kasi kahit na matanda na minod pa ng mga pambata. Para kasi nakakapagpahinga ka din ng legs mo kasi nga nakatayo ka, lakad ng lakad. Kapag nasa ride ka, nakakaupo ka.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Ayun na, tapos na siguro yun. Yun na yun. Nahilo lang ako. Nahilo lang ako, sir. That's it. Happy birthday daw. Ginawang birthday pero binabati nila ako.